Good evening everyone. Today we are going to do the daily Leetcode challenge of 14 February 2023. That is question number 67. Add binary. We are given two strings and we have to return their sum as a binary string. For this you should know what is binary addition. In binary you only have two digits, that is 1 and 0. And 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 gets carried, that is 1 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 0 plus 1 is also 1. So that is all you need to know. Now to add this, we are not given integers, we are given strings. So for addition we have to convert the string into integers, and the conversion is done using ASCII value. You can directly use the inbuilt function, that is string to integer, or you can simply do the value of string minus 0 in string, that will give you the integer value of the string, that is 1. You will get this. But as we have to do addition, what we have to do, this is 1 plus 1 and this is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 get carried, 1 plus 1 is 0, then 1 gets carried. So by seeing this we can understand that we need to deal with this carry variable somehow. Now let's see second example. In the second example, what we can see, we are given 1 0 1 0 and second one is 1 0 1 1. So when we add this we are getting 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 get carried, 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1 here, then 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 gets carried. So carry is here. So in this case, carry increase the number of bits, 1 2 3 4 5, and original addition was for 4 bits. So how do we deal with this? How do we actually approach this question? So first step was to convert the string into integers by subtracting 0 from it or by using the inbuilt function. Second step is to deal with the carry. So whenever we add this, what we are getting? We are getting the last digit. So how are we actually getting the last digit? If we are getting 1 plus 1 is 2, if we do modulus 2, we are getting 0. And what is 1 plus 1? It's 0 and 1 gets carried. So how do we get this carry value? To get the carry value, you do 2 divided by 2, that is 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So now you know you can get carry by sum divided by 2, and you can get the bit exact answer what you are getting result by 2 modulus sum modulus 2. Whatever is the sum, you will do modulus of 2. But how do you actually do it? Let's take another example. Let's say we are having 1 0 1 1 and we are having 0 1 1. It is A, it is B. If we add them, we are getting 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 get carried, 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 is added, then 1 is here and 1 gets carried. Then 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 is here and here 1. So answer is 1 1 0. But how did we actually get to this answer? For that, you must have noticed that we always start from the rightmost bit. So to start from the rightmost bit, we will reverse the rules. Also, you can see the length of the A string is 4, length of the B string is 3, and this string gets end early. So we have to assume 0 here so that we can add it. So what we will do, first we will check whoever is longer. If A is longer than B, we will swap the values so that we can maintain uniformity. So if we swap the values, now A will become 0 1 1 and B will become 1 0 1 1. Now the next step is we have to reverse the string. Why reverse? So that we can always start from the rightmost bit. So it will become 1 1 0 and it will become 1 1 0 1. Now next step is adding them. So we have to iterate in loops. We will start a loop till the length of A, that is smaller length, is iterated first. For I 0 to I less than n1 and I plus plus. We will iterate till here. And what we will do, we will simply do sum is equal to, we convert the value of ai minus 0. This is conversion of string to integers. Also we do the same for bi minus 0. So what is happening? I means this digit of both plus carry. So we will initialize our carry with 0, and we need a result string for as a blank string. So our carry is 0 and result we are returning as a blank string. So our sum will become 1 plus 1 that is 0. Let's write it 1 plus 1 plus 0. So when we do 2 modulus, that is 2, 2 modulus 2 is 0. So our result is pushed, 0 is pushed, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So our carry gets updated to 1. So 1 is get carried. Now in the second iteration, what will happen? Now we have digits 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 plus carry is now 1. So it will become 1 plus 1 is 0. Let's say 3 because it will become 3 ultimately, yeah. And 3 modulus 2 is 1. So 1 gets pushed here. And if we do 3 divided by 2, what we will get? We will get 1. Now this 1 is updated to carry. And now the third bit, that is this 0 and this 0. We are running the loop for n1, that is the smaller length. Now 0 and 0 is added. 0 plus carry is 1. So our answer will become 1 modulus 2. That is 1. So 1 is pushed here and 1 divided by 2 is 0. So carry is updated to 0. Now this length is ended. So we will run another loop for I is equal to n1 till I less than n2. We will do that. And now this is only left. And why we are doing this? So we do not have to add a 0 here to actually do it. We can simply do this one plus the carry value. Carry is 0. So we will get 1. And we will push it here. And after that, we will also need to check if carry still exists. We will also add that carry in this position, but in this case it is not there. So our result is 0 1 1 1. So after we are getting the final result, we have to reverse it, so it will become 1 1 0. So that will be your answer. That is how you do it. And this is the same process for addition of integers when they are not in binary, normal addition. You just simply divide or modulus by 10 for integers value. So let's move on to the code and just code this. Coding this is very simple if you have followed the video now. First step is if A length is greater than B length. What we had to do, we had to swap the values. Swap A comma B. By swapping the values, we will make the n1 as smallest. That is n1 is equal to A dot length. N1 should be smallest. And n2 is equal to B dot length. Now what we had to do, we had to run a loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than n1, I plus plus. But before running the loop, we need to get the values. That is, int sum should be initialized with 0, carry with 0, and we need to get a string result to get our answer, and it is a blank string now. Now the next step is sum is equal to conversion of ai minus 0. That is conversion of string to integer plus bi. The b element is also converted to integer, and then carry is added. Now in the result, what we had to push, result dot push back, we had to push sum modulus 2, and we also have to convert it to string again, that is plus 0, and our carry will become sum divided by 2. That's all you had to do for the first case. Now you have to repeat this for I is equal to n1 to I less than n2, and this a string is ended because you have iterated it, so it will become this. And after this, if still carry exists, if carry exists, what we'll do, result dot pushback, we will convert the carry to string, and we have done this. And when we are got the result, we will reverse the result. So reverse result dot begin comma result dot end. But before this, we forgot to reverse the strings here. So let's reverse them. That is reverse a dot begin comma a dot end, and reverse b dot begin comma b dot end. So we have reversed them, result, and we will return our result string. So that is all you had to do for binary addition. In case of integer addition, you will divide it by 10. What is the issue? We have written reverse. So in case of integer addition, you will change it to 10 in both the places. That way you can add two integer strings normally. So it is running for two cases. I have taken a custom case. It is running for that as well. Let's just submit it. So yeah, it is accepted. So the time complexity and space complexity, I leave it to you guys to comment down in the comment section. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.